I'm Nyatera Vincent Omworokia, the principal Rayora Mixed Secondary School. And today we're undertaking the exercise of admitting the grade 10 students. We're expecting a total number of 360 students to report. And so far, the turn-up today has not been very good. We have already 26 students who have reported, 13 girls and 13 boys. However, we are optimistic that quite a number of them will be coming because they have been given quite a number of some time to do this from today up to Friday. So it's the beginning, it's a new system. There are those who are still waiting to see what others are doing before they can decide to. And as we wait, we want to make an appeal to the parents who have already sought admission in our school or whose students have been admitted in our school to hasten and have the student report to school. Now, in the process of admission, some of the things that have come out clear is that some parents really didn't download the letters. So a parent is bringing the result slip and says, I want my child to be admitted here. So we have to guide, search the school where the student has been admitted, and then assist the parents to request for a transfer and then admit the child. So it takes quite some time. A number of parents haven't downloaded the letters. That was under the 844 system of education. I think it's a system that had run in the country for quite a number of years, and parents were very clear about what was expected of them. But when you look at the CBIG system, most parents appear not to be very sure of what is really expected of them. 2/3 of the students who have been admitted here are taking the STEM pathway. A few have been selected for the social sciences, and we have scanty cases of some students who have been admitted for arts and the sports science. Like we have building and construction, we have electricity, and we're also offering all those courses. So we are waiting for the learners to report. Performance of our school has been on upward trajectory. I remember in the year 2023, with a mean of 5.2. 2024 with a mean of 6.2. In 2025, the results that were recently released, we have a mean of 7.5.